Most Google Ads campaigns fail, not because Google Ads doesn't work, but because the account structure is a total mess. In this video, I'm going to show you the ideal Google Ads account structure, simply explained for beginners. Hi, I'm Jasmin. If you're new to Google Ads and you don't understand how campaigns, ad groups, and keywords fit together, this video will give you a simple explanation. Think of Google Ads like a folder system. To avoid wasted budget, the ideal account structure should look like this. So level 1 is your Google Ads account, where you will make your overall settings and enter your billing information. You usually set this once and you don't touch it often. Level 2 are the campaigns. At campaign level, you control the budget, you control the location targeting, the language, and many more things. Then you divide the campaigns by objective, services or products, or audience to gain the full control over targeting, budget, and bidding. So for example, you're an e-commerce shop and you're selling different kind of products. You can separate the campaigns into your different products. So for example, campaign 1 is shoes, campaign 2 is jackets, and campaign 3 will be shirts. So basically, one campaign is one main goal. Level 3 are the ad groups. So you should create separate ad groups for different product categories. For example, for sport shoes, that would be the first ad group, and the second ad group can be boots. You do the same for the other campaigns. Here you have the first ad group, winter jacket, the second ad group, rain jacket. For small budgets, like below $50 a day, I recommend to not create more than 3 ad groups. For higher budgets, like up to 8 or up to 10 ad groups can make sense. You should create minimum 2 responsive search ads, better 3 ads per ad group, as Google needs to test which ad works the best. And the keywords should actually be included in the headlines. This improves the CTR, the relevance, and the quality score. For example, if we have the keyword by running shoes, your headline can be by running shoes, best sport shoes 2026. So your keyword is included in the headline. And then each ad group should lead to a different, highly relevant landing page. The landing page should specifically be designed for this product of the ad group. So for boots, we have a different landing page. We have a different landing page for winter jacket, for rain jacket, and then we do the same for the other campaigns. So this is a quick summary about what I just said, but don't worry, I will include a link to this sheet into the video description. So your account structure decides how easy your account is to manage, how relevant your ads are, how much you pay per click, and as well how well Google understands your business. A bad structure means wasted money. A clean structure means better results. Common beginner mistakes are that they put all keywords into one ad group. This is very, very bad. As well, they're mixing different services together. This shouldn't be happen. And they're creating too many campaigns, so the budget just goes out of control into too many campaigns. If Google is confused, your results will be bad. So before you set up a campaign, please ask yourself, would this ad perfectly answer the search query? If yes, that's a good structure. If no, it's not. How does the ideal account structure for beginners look like? You should set up 1 to 3 campaigns and 2 to 5 ad groups, not more than that. In the ad groups, there should be 5 to 15 keywords, and they should be highly relevant and closely related. You do not need to set up 50 campaigns, hundreds of ad groups, and overcomplicated setups. So now I'm inside Google Ads, as I want to show you how it looks like. You can see the structure here: campaigns, then ad groups, and then ads. So now I'm going to show an example of a campaign I did. So I divided the campaign into 3 different ad groups according to different intent. So if you click here on the first ad group, high intent booking focus, you would see the keywords here. If this video helped you to understand the ideal Google Ads account structure, feel free to subscribe for weekly beginner-friendly tutorials. And if you ever need help with your Google Ads, feel free to book a free Google Ads audit. The link is in the description.